Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make another handmade doll, and this one is gonna be a little different. So over here, I'm taking the Barbie head, only the head, not the body, because we are gonna make the body. So for that, I'm taking some craft wire and I'm taking a white fabric bag over here, in which I'll just take some pieces out of it like a stripes, and then I'll just start covering it with the glue. So guys, I'll just take a lot of them and start wrapping it around, because I want the body shape to be perfect, just like the Barbie doll. So that's why I'm going for the top a little bit thick, and then for the lower half a little bit thin.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know.
Alright, so now as you can see, this is what I get right now, and this leg is almost now completed. So I'll just make another one and I'll get these two legs ready. Now what I'll do is that I'll take another craft wire and I'll start making the hands, and all the measurements are given on your screen, so you can go and check that out and make a beautiful doll at home just by yourself very easily.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know.
Okay, so now as you can see, I've just attached some craft wire. Now what I'll do is that I'll start making the body of the doll. So over here, I'm just cutting out some cardboard. And this is the shape I have taken over here. So I'll just take another one which has this neck kind of shape, and then I'll stick these two together just to get a thick shape of the body. Now over here, I'll just take a craft wire and insert it inside the cardboard. Then again, I'm taking the same white shopping bag, and this is a fabric bag which I used in the beginning of this video. I'll just wrap it around the doll body, first at the back and then in the front too. So this way it will give you a nice shape for your doll's body. Now when you're done doing that, over here again I'm sticking this fabric bag over here onto the doll just to cover it. Now once I trim out the edges, this is what I get over here. Now I'll do the same thing on the front part as well. So guys, you just have to do the same thing which I did on the leg and the hands. Just cover this completely on the doll's body and get it a beautiful shape. Now I'll just do the same thing on the neck as well and put some glue. So once the legs are now done, I'll just fold it from the bottom. And then I'll insert this inside the doll's body. And then the hands as well. And then I'll just fold it. Just because it has craft wire inside it, it can easily be foldable any shape. And once that is done, I'll just put the doll head onto the body and ta-da, this is how my doll looks. Just to complete the final look, I'll just put some cardboard cutouts of the hands over here. And now let's start with the glue paste. So I'll just put on some glue over here onto the doll's body. Just so when it gets dried, it will give me a smooth surface. Now as you can see, I've painted my doll with acrylic paints. And then I'll just start making the dress. So over here, I'm going for a very beautiful green anarkali dress today. Because I got a lot of demand to make this, so that's why I'm going for it. Now I'll take this very beautiful satin kind of fabric in a green shade. And now I'll start making the anarkali pants first. Now once it's done, I'll just make the doll wear it. And now I'll cinch it from the waist and stick it. Once that is done, I'll take the same fabric again and I'll take some cutout over here. So these will be the sleeves over here for the anarkali dress, and you can go for any kind of sleeves, but I'm going for this full kind of look, so that's why over here I'll just cinch it again into the doll's body and stick it. Once that is done, again for the top, I'll just take the same fabric and cut it out. So now guys, this is the kind of shape I get. Now I'll just put it over the doll's body. And then I'll just go all the way to the back and stick it. So again, this is a no-sew kind of dress, so it's very easy. You all can make it and then just stick it on the doll. Now once that is done, I'll put some glue over here. Just on the borders of the dress, and the design which I want to give on this dress are some golden beautiful dots. So over here I'm just putting the glue according to where I want the glitter to be. And now once that is done, I'll take my golden glitter dust and I'll dust it all over the glue which I've just applied onto the doll's body. And once it gets dry, it will look very beautiful and glittery, just like a real anarkali dress. So as you can see, this is the kind of design I'm going into. Now over here I'm taking this white paper and it's just a template to show you guys how I'll just make the anarkali base. So don't get confused, it's only the template, and I'll just take this white paper and cut it over here, just the round shape. So I'll get this circle with the hole in the middle. So the same way I've taken my fabric, same fabric, and done the same thing on that as well. Now again I'm going for the golden highlights. So over here I'm just putting some glue and then some glitter dust like I did on the doll's top. So I'll just do the same thing over here as well. So this is a very fun part and you're gonna love doing this. But also if you want to do something different, you can just put some rhinestones, gems, sequins or any kind of that thing, or even you can use some fabric paints and paint out some designs or embroidery. Anything is perfect. And this way I get my anarkali base, as you can see. So now I'll just put the doll inside this and cinch it out from the waist again. Now I'll take this very beautiful golden lace and put it over here as a belt. Now let's put the doll's head back, and then over here I've taken this lace kind of fabric, mesh fabric, and I'll just cut out the lace because I like the design. And I'll use it as the jewelry for this doll. Once that is done, it's my favorite part again, just to make the hairs of the doll. It's very easy and I've made in so many of my videos. So you can go and check that all out because I've made very different colors and hairstyles too. So over here, after doing that, I'll just make the hairs and complete the look of my doll. So now as you can see, I'm making the wig cap, the piece for the doll's hair, and I'm putting some aluminium foil over here onto the doll's head just to hold the shape. And then I'll start applying the black hairs which I made for the doll. Now as you can see, I'll just take my scissors and I'll just chop the hairs and trim it out completely. Once that is done, this is the dupatta or chunri, which you can see I've made from a very beautiful golden mesh fabric and some golden lace around the borders. So now guys, as you can see, it is completed.
Wow!
So guys, this was it. This was the final video. It was your very highly requested video, so I finally made it today. If you guys liked it, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Got my feet on the ground.